Go. We are the Dinosauce. Lang doon. Wala ka na. Walang pagka. Hindi ako yun. Ano? Karate Kid. Oh! Bye. Ito bye. Bye. La 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 la. Why? What? I want to drink it. Okay. Bro, you're admin. Uy, laruin natin yung mamaya. Okay, and I will first drink it. Okay. Wait lang, ayan ako lang. Speed. Okay, you can. Something. It's a vitamins for sipon because I have sipon too. It's okay lang. Lord, you turn. Holy aid! Ikaw. Ano, Persyo? Pasya rin. Pakunti-kunti lang. If you want to ask this is the So I have asthma na. But you not have asthma. Bakit? Because you're already drink a little bit. Because I want to be. Yeah! Period. Bro, mabusog ka pa? Bro, you're so crazy. I don't want this. Stop. Don't eat it. Let's see. And one. Tinapon mo sa may faucet. It's not fun anymore. And nag-iwan siya ng damit dyan. Nag-iwan? May ano lang siya. Mukhang tinadala. Oo. It is not. Hello? Hello? Do you eat some peach mango pie? No. In a Jollibee? No. Why? Di pa namatay ako. Di ba wala akong peach mango pie? Oo. So, I will magic. How? I don't know. In a magic. Sabihin mo magic. Magic. Sabihin mo magic. You have Jollibee. Mango pie. Magic. And say it. Mango pie. Mango pie. Magic, 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 magic. Ping! Ay, natry ko na pala yun. I have some this too. Well, thank you for saying I have some mango pie because if you're not telling, I don't have mango pie. You have some power. Namatay agad. Nabatay din ako. Anong lasa nito?
Hindi parang mango at saka kanya. Kaya nga, ang sarap niyan.
Okay, good. Ay, bite it.
Okay.
Wait lang. Masarap ba ito? Anong lasa niya?
Yung parang mango.
Okay, so try.
Lo, nagka-invisible ako. Nga. Mango nga.
This is so creamy.
Ayaw.
Bakit?
Kasi baka ako kinain para sa lang bite. Adoro sa mataku.
Pero wala na kayong spaghetti.
Meron pa.
Hindi, bakit ba kayo nag-spaghetti?
Meron pa. I love.
Wala bang nilito si Tito? Pagkalis niya.
Punch. Someone wanna punch? Punch. Punch. Oh, you punched them. Then I will take credit. I'm great. The trio squad. I'm tired. Maybe we'll twin. Twin, are you okay to buy the book? Are you gonna? Bye guys. So guys, it's name. Okay, how about goodbye.